One day we'd like to have our entire shop done with a full concrete floor, but unfortunately we have to do it section by section. So for today we are working on approximately a 10 by 12 section, and we had the order placed for our concrete and they delivered it, and so we just went ahead and decided to get it done. We were dreading this job for a very long time, but it ended up being a lot easier than we expected. There was a little bit of trial and error at the beginning, figuring out the proper ratio of water to mix, as it just seemed really thick at first, and so we ended up adding a little bit of extra water to it to make it more workable. And also we realized that 2 bags at a time in the mixer did not work very well, so we did 1 bag at a time. I say we, it was all my husband and my boys, and they were excellent help. But I'm not going to narrate too much in this video. If you want to watch the process, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. But all in all, I believe it took between maybe 4 and 5 hours to get this slab done, and it turned out really, really nice. want to watch it? It's pretty cool. Let's step outside for a minute and take a look at some of the animals. While the boys are working on the concrete, I thought we would come in here and take a peek at some little bunnies. Ouch. This is also our area where we keep invalid chickens. This guy here, this little game rooster, he had his spur fell off last winter, and then it resulted in his entire foot getting infected, and he lost the whole thing. And then this rooster here is virtually blind, so he gets picked on a lot. So he gets to stay in here. See how tiny? I think they're all black, probably. No, it might be some. I can't tell. Okay, babies. I'm sorry, I'm not your mama. Go back to sleep. This is their mama. Her name is Black Betty. She is a seasoned doe. One of our best mamas. Yeah, she's a pretty girl. Yes, she is. And since we're over here, we'll take a little peek at Maggie and see how she's doing. I see the goat snuck in here to eat her grain, as goats will do. Hi, guys. Maggie! Maggie! Hi, guys. Hi, Gretchen. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. The grass is sure getting green. It's very pretty. Yes, you're pretty too. All right, let's get back to the shop and see how they're doing on the concrete. I'm right here. Yeah. Well, all in all, I think for our very first time ever pouring concrete, I think we did pretty good. But thanks for watching, guys.